A very good evening to you.
Good evening.
We've been told like you have been our regular over here. What makes this place special?
I've been coming to A Creations Hair and Beyond for very many years. In fact, one of the head stylists, Amanda, has been cutting and treating my hair for I think now a good 10 years. Well, it's special because the staff is really very sweet, really very make you feel like you're at home. The treatments that you get over the years, because of course there's so much of wear and tear with your hair and your makeup, because you're shooting almost every day, and she's managed to keep my hair luscious, and so the treatments that are available as well are fantastic.
The monsoons are here. Any special advice for the viewers would you like to suggest?
I would say just have fun. I love the monsoons, and I know a lot of us complain about it becoming all dirty and mucky, but just get wet in the rain and have fun with it.
What is your style, Mansoor?
I try and keep it simple as far as everything is concerned, whether it is the way I think and the way I live. I try and keep it as simple as possible. I come from Goa, so for me it's always been the small things. I try to look for those and make life special.
Lots of buzz about you working with Mr. Salman Khan.
Well, I've said this before. If a girl's dream can come true, then luck's on my side.
पर क्या कितना सही है कि अप्रोच किया गया है दबंग के लिए या कोई और फिल्म के लिए आपको सलमान के साथ?
Well, all I will say is it's a great time for me to have be in this industry. There's a lot of work out there. There's a lot that I'm reading. It's really exciting, and but beyond that, I cannot comment.
Before you leave, I just want to have your opinion. Slightly different topic. Do you think the religious people have the right to dictate the people of how they behave and how they live their life, or how they dress? I just talk about Ms. Fatima Sana Sheikh, who had posted her picture of in a swimsuit, and they say like it is the holy month of Ramadan and it's not every period. So if you would like to express your opinion on this,
It's actually a topic that it's a very religious topic. So I've been brought up with also very religiously. I come from a very religious background, but I think growing up I've sort of adapted and I've become more of a spiritual person than a religious person. What I will say is I do believe that religion tends to dictate and separate us as people, and I think at the end of the day it's about just being a real good human being and contributing, and that's more important.
But what I was trying to like people criticizing someone just because from the dictates of the religious people, like you can't post pictures like this, you can't do this like this. So is it right or criticizing someone on this?
I'd rather not have a comment on that because it's religion, and I respect it. I respect all the rules that come with it. I respect the way that I've been brought up and what is expected of me as a Roman Catholic. So I think as a Hindu or as a Muslim, if we just respect the religion that we belong to, it would be better for all of us.
Very well said, very intelligent answer. Much appreciated and praises for you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for guiding us.
Yeah.
So when this conversation, you are here at A Creations, Grand Lodge, great. So how do you like to come here, and what's your connection with this?
So I've been part of A Creations for a very long time. I've been coming to their salon, using their services. In fact, their head stylist has been styling my hair for a very long time, whether it's cut, trim, color, and treating it. So I'm very comfortable. For me, it's like coming home to another family, and they pamper you and they treat you really well.
Apart from your connection, what's the special and what's unique in this particular salon?
What's unique, they have a lot of unique treatments. Also, I mean, for somebody like me who's always shooting, so whether it's your skin or whether it's your hair, it's always being used and abused in a way. And they have great treatments that will just rejuvenate it and make it look luscious throughout.
And any monsoon tips you want to give?
Yes, I've said this before. A lot of us are giving monsoon tips. The only tip I'll say is just go ahead and enjoy the monsoon. Get wet in the rain and enjoy it.
And we want to see you in different platforms also. So do you have any project in your pipeline?
Yes, it's a very exciting time, and I've said this as well. I'm reading a lot. There are things that I'm really excited about, and hopefully I can talk about these things very shortly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
स्क्रीन में आ जाऊंगा
इधर ही तक ही लेना
This is basically for in-house.
Oh, it's for in-house? Okay.
Okay.
Please ask her more questions than me. She's the owner.
No, he's my mouthpiece. So he'll talk.
Okay, I'll be asking the questions and you have to see with the camera. First of all, congratulations for the opening.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for being with us.
Okay, my pleasure. So could you please, how does it feel to be here, on this new opening of the new branch?
Feels good. Feels more responsible. I think we are adding more responsibility on our shoulders to not only look after our staff, but also look after our very precious customers. That's the most important thing. So yes, we have taken this on, and I hope we'll do a good job.
What's the USP when we talk about your particular salon?
I think our USP is
Yes,
Giving-
an affordable price.
giving money's worth is what I really believe in. And when I say that, I really mean it. I mean, when I'll give you an example if you would want to take it from me. Do you have a pen with you?
Pen. Yeah.
Are you rolling?
Yeah, that's it.
Asking for a pen.
Can I have a pen, please?
Sure. You asked for a service, you got service, right?
Yes.
Ask me again.
Can I have a pen, please?
Sure, ma'am. Again?
Can I have a pen, please?
Sure, ma'am. I'm sure you need paper as well. Can I give you that, please?
Oh, that's,
Now, this is what the difference is
extra.
all about, okay? This is what we strive to do. That
Basically, add on.
going beyond the call of duty is what we believe in. That's service.
Okay, superb. So when we talk about your expansion plan, decide after this what's next. Any more branches you're opening?
We planning to have, after we come back from our tour abroad, we are first looking at Pune, and in August 2018, we already have signed up with a salon in Dubai. It's at Business Bay. I won't tell you the place exactly where it is, but it's in Business Bay area. And August we will start there. That's our first international venture it's going to be. And then we're looking at Australia and US as well as an international venture. Within that we'll also do an India expansion as well.
Anything you want to add, ma'am, from your
I
side?
said it all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being with us again. I must say that.
My pleasure.
Thank you for coming.